This is the TACKLIFE 10-inch sliding compound miter saw. In this video, I will show you how it works and basically just go over all the features. The saw comes pre-assembled from the box. You can have the saw remain stationary or have it move back and forth by loosening or tightening the slider knob. There's also a pull-out knob that allows you to move the saw up and down or lock it in place. The main handle has a thumb safety that you need to switch before you can press the blade switch down. And the handle is on the right side of the saw, so it favors those of us who are right-handed. The saw can either spin at 3200 RPMs or 4500 RPMs, and there's a simple switch to change that. There are knobs in the back that you can use to loosen and adjust the table supports. Each end of the supports has a stopper as well if you need to make multiple cuts at a specific length. The saw comes with a single clamp to help you secure the object that you are cutting. There's an adjustment knob to limit how far down the saw can go as well. The large knob on the back allows you to adjust the angle of the blade up to 45 degrees. The saw's track angle can also be adjusted up to 45 degrees. It will snap into place at every 15 degrees, but you can still lock it at any angle you desire. There is a laser guide that helps you know exactly where the cut will be, and when you need to replace the blade, there's a simple push key to lock the blade into place. There is also an easy to install dust catcher. I have found that for me it collects only about 1/4 of the sawdust. Overall, I've been very happy with the saw. It does everything that I hoped it would. The blade guard is made out of iron, it's very high quality and works great, and it definitely makes me feel more safe while using this saw. The saw cuts well at angles and it cuts through wood and aluminum very easily. Like this back plate that I probably should have moved out of the way before cutting at an angle. Anyhow, I hope this video has helped give you the information that you were looking for in the saw. I have posted my affiliate link down below if you want to check out the current price on Amazon. Thanks.